sound of one small voice singing. Small is the sound of two or three, but all of our voices and all of our choices change the world continuously. Small is beautiful, small is an art, small is the way of the soul and the heart. Small is quite simple, small is quite smart, small is the way that all big things start. Small is the step that one person can take, small is the difference one person can make. But your steps and mine and our steps together change everything, now and forever. Small feels quite futile and really naive. Small feels quite useless, and it's hard to believe that when we take a stand side by side, hand in hand, we are already a newfound And if you wanna know when, and you wanna know how, it's a